Oh, hello world. Merry Christmas for everybody. And Happy New Year. Make love, not war. I'm back. I promise you last Christmas I'm coming back. And now I'm here. And I'm telling to you, my name is Savorinen. Jukka-Petteri Savorinen. And I am the dude. I am the one who figured out how universe really works. And I tell you that truth was too much for all physicists and cosmologists. They believing that there is this kind of hocus pocus spacetime which play tricks. But there is not, because space never was born. It is eternal and infinity, three-dimensional stage which is nothing. And only losers using space to explain phenomena, because it is not space which expanding. There is center of nuclear atoms. There is these kind of traffic areas, congestion areas, where this expanding energy is more density. And these expanding traffic areas just recycling this expanding energy and pushing each other away, same way what they expanding. So it means that you can say that nuclear of atoms expanding and recycling dark expanding energy, which is also dark expanding pushing force, which have a nature of electrons and photons, which also expanding. Yes, this is real relativity, you know. When physicists check out if there is electrons outside nuclear of atoms, they don't understand that they create new electrons. There was not these electrons, but when they sending this expanding light, that way where is expanding nuclear of atoms, there's born new expanding electrons, because these expanding photons interact with these expanding dark energy particles and get these trillions and trillions dark energy particles expanding so fast that they don't have a time pushing each other away, same way what they're expanding, and they spawn new electrons which also expanding. And this is same principle how these expanding stars was born when two expanding supermassive concentrations was moving near each other. These supermassive concentrations was born with own three-dimensional Big Bangs, and they emit trillions and trillions expanding dark matter particles which can move through each other, and when they move through each other there is strong interaction and expansion going faster, and next one coming and they moving through with the next one again and again, and finally these dark energy particles just expanding so fast that they didn't have a time pushing each other away, same way what they expanding, and there was born new expanding stars like from nothing. But of course it was not from nothing, because there was these trillions and trillions expanding dark matter particles, but these expanding supermassive concentrations emit all the time. Like today there is dark matter particles which pushing inside sun and planets, and that's why we have sunspots and Jupiter red spot, and also we have these hurricanes and tornadoes, because also Earth center can absorb more and more these dark matter particles which starts expanding so fast that we have a new expanding visible matter, and other ones stay in center, but like gas molecules and water molecules, they pushing out like a river, and they spawn like hurricanes and tornadoes where that new expanding gas molecules, water molecules pushing out from expanding Earth. Yes, and that's the way it's going, and that's the way this Jupiter red spot works, because also Jupiter center can absorb more and more these kind of new matter, like dark matter particles, which this expanding supermassive concentration what we have a center of Milky Way emit all the time. And this is the keyword theory of everything, you know. Expanding galaxies are huge particles from these kind of extremely density and massive systems what we have outside expanding visible universe. And it is information from this system. And there is infinity numbers these kind of systems which recycling eternal energy pushing force. Happy New Year! Eikö niin, Christmas first. Merry Christmas! I just tell for these dudes here. There was some dudes who walks. I'm so exciting to tell you how this universe works. I forget that Christmas coming first and then coming this New Year, which I hope it's happy for everybody. Even much more happy what we had this 2024 because we have these wars and other not so nice things what's going on here in Earth. But yes, I think we are eternal one who lives all lives same time, and if it's that way, everything that we doing to each other, we doing to ourselves. Maybe these our bodies are just biological machines what we using eternal one. Maybe there is particles which moving through brain and giving information for brains. And if brains can give information to these particles, this all information what our biological machine measure, it can be in huge area in energy fields. Who we are, eternal one. We just have a billions different personalities, but we might be eternal one who lives all lives same time. So let's think about that. Make love, not war, because maybe everything what we doing to each other, maybe we doing to ourselves. And this is not religion. I think this is science. Maybe we can prove to ourselves that we are eternal one. If there is these particles which moving through brains, then we can check out this science way. Okay, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year for everybody. Cheers. Google Savorinen, uusi Suomi-blogi, also Facebook. And now I think I might go to drink one beer. I love you all.